In this video, we are going to see how to remove Windows 11 login password and lock screen to directly log in Windows 11 without the need to enter a password. So we have two simple methods for that. One is just go to the start menu right here and right here settings. Now, once you are in the settings, you can just locate this accounts option on the left corner. Just click here and then just click on the sign in options, which is mostly on the second option. Just go here, and if you're set a password, just click this password option and click on change right here. Now it is compulsory that you must remember the old password, otherwise you won't be able to reset this. Enter your current password and click next. Now this takes you to this screen, and many people got confused here that what if they don't want to set any password and just log in directly? In that case, you don't have to set anything in the new password and confirm password. So let's leave all of the fields as blank. Click on next and you can see that the password is changed. Click on finish and let's just test this. Just go to the start menu and click on this power sign right here and just lock the screen. Now we can see that we can log in directly without the need to enter password in Windows 11. Now the method 2 is also very simple. What you can do is just hit the short key of Control Alt and Delete, which will take you to this screen right here. And from here, you can click on change a password. So here you have to enter the old password, the new password, and confirm password should be left blank. Hit enter. And now we can see the password has been changed. Now again, you should be able to log in without the need to enter password in Windows 11. So guys, that's it. This is a pretty straightforward video. I hope this video helps you. And if it did, mention down in the comments if that works, and I will see you in the next one.